Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with moi. I'll be doing my readings differently from now on. I'm just going to let them be divinely guided and stuff like that, because the same old you can't. Yeah, I'm just being led to change up my style of readings and see who I'm sending y'all. Yeah, I just said I love, light, healing, and blessings, and I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. This reading will be for the sign Sagittarius. So let's get into the energy and see what's going on. Alright, so see what messages do you have for Sagittarius? What's going on with Sagittarius? Ooh, that flips in the reverse, so we have the Three of Cups in the reverse. The High Priestess. Spirit, what's going on with Sagittarius? I just heard this ban. The Three of Cups. Let's see. What's going on with Sagittarius, Spirit? What's going on with Sagittarius? You have the Nine of Pentacles. The Hanged Man. And the Devil. Oh Lord. Okay, so something else comes to light here about some toxic energy right here, because you have the Three of Cups in the reverse. I'm guessing that something was dismantled here. This band, like, it could have been a group. Okay, because it's like, something here was disbanded. Because I'm like seeing now, it's like we're like a group of people like scattered, or something scattering here. But something has fallen here. This could have been some sort of secret society. Yeah, because I just heard, okay, like a secret society, a secret group or a cult of some sort here. But I'm getting that something was dismantled, disbanded here, yeah. Okay. Alright. So yeah, something here, some sort of secret group, society, whatever. This could have been like a group of spiritual people also. Yeah, because this was this band here. Then we have the Nine of Pentacles energy out here. The Nine of Pentacles, this is Virgo energy, right? So the Nine of Pentacles is somebody who is single, sufficient, very abundant. This person is very abundant here, but I keep getting like energy harvesting here. So yeah, they were trying to siphon somebody's energy here. Could be this cult group society that was disbanded here. I'm getting that this was their karma though for for doing this. Also, they could have tried to sacrifice somebody here to get their energy. Or they wanted somebody to die. Oh, this is deep. Spirit? Okay. Or they wanted somebody to give up something here. The Hanged Man. Because the Hanged Man talks about surrender and releasing here. Judgment, yeah, Judgment was called here. Yeah, this has came to an end here. Something, a cycle was closed out. And justice is being served. Oh Lord, Spirit. I'll clarify that devil energy in a minute there, because I want to see what that is. On the Three of Cups in the reverse too. Okay. We have a King of Cups. Out here. Ooh, I'm picking up, this could be a Scorpio. Yeah. Somebody was left out in the cold. I'm getting Scorpio energy from this King of Cups, even though this is a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. But let's see. Yeah, man. Okay, I heard fighting amongst themselves, so something could have backfired here on what this secret society group, people, whatever they were trying to do. Hmm. 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 Hold on, let's see something here. Spirit, clarify the Three of Cups in the reverse. Clarify the Three of Cups in the reverse. Clarify the Three of Cups in the reverse. Spirit, Three of Cups in the reverse. Clarify the Three of Cups in the reverse. Clarify the... Let's see. Clarify the Three of Cups in the reverse. Yeah. See, clarify the Three of Cups in the reverse. Clarify the Three of Cups in the reverse. Clarify the Three of Cups in the reverse. One more card, please. One more card, please. Okay. All right. Okay, Spirit. What is this? Because I'm seeing here the Eight of Swords. I hear stagnant, so they were trying to keep somebody from basically moving forward here. It's like they wanted to keep somebody in one place, stuck in one place. While they do something here. Somebody wanted to keep somebody stuck here. It's like, well, it's like while they make other connections, partner up with other people. I don't wanted to keep somebody from seeing this, but this is being exposed here. Somebody could have gotten married with the Queen of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Clarify this Tower. Clarify the Tower. What's in this Tower energy, Spirit? Clarify the Tower. Clarify the Tower. Clarify the Tower. You have the Eight of Wands. Clarify the Tower. Hold on. Clarify the Tower, Spirit. Clarify the Tower for me, please. Clarify the Tower. Give me some more cards, please, for the Tower. Okay. Oh. I'm getting here somebody wanted to keep somebody busy, distracted here, the Ten of Wands here. But this is through some sort of communication though. While they explore other options here. It's like this person was telling you things you wanted to hear. It could be even that this person was telling you that they were going to make you a wife or a husband or commit to you or something. But this was all an illusion though. Clarify the Fool. Clarify the Fool, Spirit. Clarify the Fool. Clarify the Fool. Yeah, this person was out here reckless. Clarify the Fool. Clarify the Fool. As I said, this person was out here exploring other options. Choosing between different lovers here. Could be a Scorpio, as I said something about a Scorpio earlier. Or whatever this is. Wait, they clarify the Fool. Clarify the Fool. What else are you? Clarify the Fool. Four of Pentacles. Clarify the Fool. Oh. This person was holding on to something else also. Okay, it's like this person, they had you some sort of back burner here while they went to pursue something or someone else or something else. Take it as it resonates. This can resonate with whatever. I'm guessing this person lied to you also. You have the Ten of Swords, the ultimate betrayal. Okay, that's that for that over. Dear, clarify the devil energy over here, Spirit. What's well, you know what you look at this. Clarify the devil, the Queen of Wands in the reverse. Oh really now? Clarify the Queen of Wands in the reverse, Spirit. Clarify the Queen of Wands in the reverse. Clarify the Queen of... I just heard prostitute. Clarify the Three of Wands in the reverse. Queen of Wands in the reverse. Clarify the Queen of Wands in the reverse. Clarify the Queen of Wands in the reverse here. I just heard succubus also. So somebody had a sex demon here also. Or they were trying to attach this type of entity to on somebody. Clarify the Queen of Wands in the reverse. The Queen of Wands in the reverse can also be like a witch, a dark witch, I should say. Oh. Hold on, somebody was also expecting for somebody's fate or something to change here. Also, we have the Tower. Let me see. Hold on. What was this Queen of Wands in the reverse doing? What was she doing? What was she doing? Spirit, what was she doing? What was this Queen of Wands in the reverse doing? What was this Queen of Wands in the reverse doing? What was this Queen of Wands in the reverse? Oh. What was this Queen of Wands in the reverse doing? Oh. What was this Queen of Wands in the reverse doing? What was this Queen of Wands in the reverse doing? Okay, so this is what I'm getting, right? So this Queen of Wands in the reverse energy was jealous here with this Devil energy. Possibly of this Nine of Pentacles energy, or the fact that somebody was single, sufficient, and abundant here. They were trying to get this person to. Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, struggle financially here and be worried about money here. I'll be worried about finances. Same thing, anyways. Let's see, what else? What was she doing, Spirit? What was she doing? What was this Queen of Wands energy doing? Let's see. What is this Queen of Wands in the reverse energy doing? Oop. What was this Queen of Wands in the reverse energy doing? What was she doing? Hold on. What was the Queen of Wands in the reverse energy doing? Let's see. What was she doing? Okay. Okay. This is it though, but I'm getting here she was trying to like switch energies here. As you can see this here with the angel, she was trying to switch energies here. Six of Cups. She was possibly trying to do this and keep you stuck, blinded, and naive here. Well, she does this to bring back something here. What is this? Six of Cups. What is this Six of Cups? Swear, what is this? Six of... Okay, hold on. I'm hearing to switch decks. We have the Three of Swords. Oh boy. What is this Six of Cups energy, Spirit? What is this Six of Cups? What is this? I heard resurrect, bring back something to life. Let's see. What is this Six of Cups energy, Spirit? What is this Six of Cups energy? The Chariot and the Eight of Wands. What is the Six of Cups energy? What is the Six of Cups? She's trying to bring something back to life here. This could be a lover situation. Because I'm getting that she left something behind here with the Five of Pentacles here. In the other deck, the Five of Pentacles is a man and a woman who is going through hard times here. So it's like she's trying to bring back something here from a past or a past life type energy. She's making some sort of gesture here, or somebody is to travel towards something. Someone, I also heard like some sort of astral travel here. This communication. So what is this? Tell me about this here. Because she was doing something. What happened here? Five of Swords. What happened here, Spirit? Ooh, what happened here? This is some bad energy here. Five of Swords, Ten of Swords, Temperance in the reverse. What's happening here, Spirit? Wheel of Fortune. What's happening here with this energy? What's happening here? I'm getting bad luck here. I don't know if this is making sense because it's not making sense to me anyways. But I am getting here. I don't know if it's because somebody left somebody behind here when they were struggling here. Are going through some sort of hard time. But who said this is they landed on some bad luck here. Five of Swords, Ten of Swords, and Temperance in the reverse. It's like this person has bad energy around him. It's like bad luck if you go around this person. It's like, oof. It's like this person's energy is like when they come around, it's like their energy is so negative, so bad. It's like it will f up the whole day. I'm serious. Also, this person, oh boy. They could be feeling guilty about something or in regrets here. Yeah. This could be like some sort of a mother. She could be a mother here. A mother type of energy here. Yeah, I heard depression. Here's the Three of Swords. Also, this person is the depressed. So I'm getting that's their karma here. But it's what is that? Oh, okay. Wait, tell me more about this person, Spirit. Tell me more about this person. This video might be a little long. You have the Hierophant. Tell me more about this person, Lord. King of Pentacles in the reverse. Eight of Pentacles in the reverse. This person is very unstable. Clarify this Eight of Pentacles in the reverse. Not stable, not reliable here. I'm getting that this person could go to church. Yeah, This person could go to church. This person could be a church goer. I don't know. This might be specific for somebody. Or part of some sort of religious organization. Something of that sort. Clarify is Eight of Pentacles in the reverse. Clarify Eight of Pentacles in the reverse. Yeah, because I'm getting with this Daughter of Swords. Remove Daughter of Swords. This is the Page of Cups energy. So this is Daughter of Cups, Queen of Swords, Mother of Swords. I'm getting this person is unapologetic here. It's not. It's like It's like this person like. It's like they're not sorry here. It's like they're not remorseful for what they did really. Or they won't make the effort to come forward and speak some sort of truth and apologize here. That's why this person is getting this bad karma or has this bad energy around them. It's like this person is being tormented. Yeah, we have the Judgment here. This person is being tormented. The Father of Cups here. We have the Magician out here. The Seven of Swords. Leo. This could be a Leo. This strongly could be, I don't know, this could be a Leo that's going through this here. I don't know, this take a different turn right here. Clarify this Father of Cups. Who is this? Who is this Father of Cups? Six of Pentacles in the reverse. Who is this Father of Cups energy? I heard mean-spirited. Six of Pentacles in the reverse. Who is this Father of Cups? Yeah, mean-spirited. This person is not generous. They appear to be somebody who is loving, caring, kind. But no, they're the Six of Pentacles in the reverse. This person is mean-spirited. The Ace of Swords, truth and clarity. Tell me about this Father of Cups here. So, something happened here. It could have been some sort of argument or some sort of disruption here. Somebody caused this to possibly by this magic that they were doing. Or some sort of manipulation here. Six of Wands, victory and success. It's like they did what they did and they just walked away. Yeah, with the Tower here, it's like this person tried to cause some sort of destruction, or they did. and they just left. Let me see. Clarify this magician energy, spirit. Clarify this magician energy. Hold on. Hold on. Clarify the magician. 7 of Wands. Clarify the magician. Clarify the magician. 2 of Pentacles. Clarify the magician. Clarify the magician. Okay, 7 of Wands, 8 of Swords. I'm guessing they were trying to protect themselves from something here, from something having a blowback on them here. Keyword try, because they took a risk to do what they did here. Two of Pentacles, High Priestess, and the Moon. Clarify the Moon. The 2 of Pentacles talks about balancing, or somebody going back and forth. This person is going back and forth. Hold on, clarify with something here. What is this 2 of Pentacles? What are they going back and forth with? Clarify the 2 of Pentacles. The Empress. Clarify the 2 of Pentacles. The 2 of Pentacles come out again. Clarify the 2 of Pentacles, Spirit. Clarify. Whosoever this is like they're going between people here, going between different people here, trying to get something done. Also keeping an eye also to possibly watch somebody here. I heard it's like this person is juggling some sort of different kind of tactic. It's like they get this person to do this, they get this person to do that. What is the word called? What is the, I'm trying to, what is the word? It's like some sort of spider web. Trying to get somebody tangled up and trapped here in the loop of something also. While appearing to be the Queen of Cups. Clarify the Moon. Clarify the Moon. Maybe that might be a little long. Clarify the Moon. The King of Wands. Clarify the Moon. Clarify the Moon. Ooh! Too many. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Clarify the Moon. Clarify the Moon. Ooh. Clarify the Moon. Clarify the Moon. This also could be a male lover of somebody. The King of Pentacles. Oh shit! Hold on. Somebody out here is gay. So this is this person's secret. This could also be a male here, but they're trying to keep a secret that they're possibly spirit. Clarify. Hold on. Ooh, 3 of Swords. Yeah. Clarify this for me, please, Spirit. This King of Wands, Lovers, and the King of Pentacles. So clarify, Spirit. Clarify this. Oh shit, we got a tie. So that's the secret. So they were trying to keep this hidden. Okay. I don't know who this for. Hold on. Clarify this for me, please, Spirit. Clarify the King of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the King of Wands. Yeah. Somebody could have been outed, I'm getting also, and it's like they're watching to see if somebody knows something here. What? You know what? Ooh. I don't know, Sagittarius, the read might be a little long here. Somebody's stressed out now. Give me some messages. The Sagittarius. Conditioning and the source. Yeah, so somebody felt like they couldn't be themselves here. It's like this person couldn't, and this was stressing this person. Oh, so somebody couldn't be themselves here. Yeah. Okay. I really don't know what to say here. But I think I'm going to stop this reading right here. So somebody felt like they couldn't be themselves here. It's like they had to hide the core of who they really are here. They were conditioned to be a certain way when they were another way here. And that this was stressing this person out here because they had to keep this on the down low. And this was, ooh, yeah. Okay, alright. Yeah, do you, boo? Do you? So, Sagittarius, that's it for your reading, and I'll see you in the next video.